So today we're just going to use Artsit Loft paints, and they're going to be copper, Naples Yellow, Aqua Green, Phthalo Green, white and black, and these two are the Flow Acrylic and regular Artsit Loft. So let's see what this is gonna be, and we're going to use the pouring medium that has our old pouring mix that I'm gonna put in the screen, and then it's gonna be combined with the glue and the golden pouring medium I'm gonna show you in the screen. So let's get started. Okay, so I have an 8 by 16 canvas. So let's calculate how much paint I need. Okay, so I'm gonna put in the screen the calculator that I use, and you have to multiply 8 by 16, which is 128. That you're going to multiply by 10.10, which is 10% of that, which is 12.8. That is about 13 ounces of paint, plus the sides. I'm gonna need about 14 ounces of paint. That means that I'm gonna use 2 cups of 7 ounces each. Before doing that, I'm gonna put the silicone. I'm not gonna put any on the white or the black or the copper, so only on the 2 drops per cup. And this is treadmill spot on. And I'm gonna put from dark to light. Let's put the copper. I don't want to put the copper with the white. Let's put the copper in here. Oops. That's gonna be my order. And maybe this way. This is darker. Okay. Sorry. Decided on my head how I want this. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so I do not quite have the amount of ounces that I needed. So this is what you can do. You can either mix mix another color and extend the amount of accent by putting them on the sides of the canvas. I think I'm going to mix white. I'm gonna mix more white, and I'm gonna put it on the edges of the canvas. I have in here a small board, hardboard, that I'm gonna use to flick up the paints. I have to be careful because my hands are not too strong. Hopefully I do not make a mess in here, because I have been doing a lot of messes on all my other videos. So now I'm going to put the white around, and I'm going to do that outside of camera. Okay, so let's open this one first. And let's open the other one. And let's torch. I think I'm going to bring smaller cells some places. I need to fill in this area in here. Let's see, let's bring the small torch and bring some smaller cells. Maybe there and here. I think I only brought some of the dots, but that's okay. Well, this was the green adventure. I hope you like it. I think I want some small dots in there too. They are like dots, but they grow a tiny bit. If you move the canvas, they might grow a tiny bit more, but I don't want to move it. You see, they form tiny cells. This is the area of a big area of copper. And now that the cells have grown bigger, you see how bigger they are? Pretty. See, they're so pretty. So this is the final results. I think it has copper. I think it turned out real pretty, and I think this will be the orientation that I would like to have. And the cells are very pretty. I'm gonna put this one on the website. Thank you for joining me. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.